Many times I've been asked this question, what is actually the true formula of success? Whether people whoever are successful, whether all of them are actually lucky, right? These kind of questions have been asked to me time and again by people from various categories of life, right? And my understanding is this, success is always a choice what we make in life. And if you ask people whoever has achieved a lot of things in their life, where as per the norms of our society, whom we actually call them people who are successful, I see a pattern in them. I see pattern, what I mean is the way they handle things, the way they achieved whatever they actually want to achieve in their life is almost very similar. What is always called as a formula for being successful, or certain times I define it as the ultimate success formula or true formula of success. And if you ask what exactly it is, people who are successful, they all do have their goals. Goals, what I mean is they are very clear in what is it I want in life, right? I mean various areas of life, be it their career, be it their finances, be it the relationship, where they some point of time become so determined, this is what I want in life, this is what I will be achieving in my life. What we call it a set of goals, what they actually create, and how specifically you create your goals really defines how fast you can actually achieve them, right? And that's actually, I will call it as a very first step. And whenever you actually create your goals, the next step, if we ask what exactly it is the strategy. Without strategy, no goal is possible. And whenever people tell me, oh, my goal is not realistic, which means it's not the goal which is not realistic, it's a strategy which is not realistic. And apart from it, whatever kind of efforts you put in, by chance if your strategy is wrong, you can never achieve what you want. Let your head drop, you will still not achieve what you want, right? And once you actually create a strategy, which at that point of time you assume it is the right way to go ahead and do it, because many a times there is no assurance whether that particular strategy is straight away going to work. Though you may actually look at people around, choose some of the best strategies, start using it, but still there is no guarantee whether you will achieve it or not. And as you go ahead, have that strategy done, the next step is what is called as taking action, which is again a bigger step, one of the toughest step I'll call, because what creates the difference between people who achieve a lot in life and people who actually just give up is primarily this part, what is called as action, taking action. And once you take action, you get the result. And by chance, if you get the result what you really want, that's actually defined as success, where you actually achieve success, feel good about what you've actually done. But in life, I'm sure you'll agree with me, it's not that you actually go through the steps straight away you achieve what you want. It never happens, right? Many a times you don't get what you want. And for people who are successful, is it also true for them? Very true. For them also it's very true. But whenever you don't get the result what you want, people treat the result in three different ways, right? Number one is this, where they actually give up because they think the result is a failure, and whenever they give up they have a lot of reasons, excuses, blame, complain. And the second category of people, what I actually define as a try category, they keep doing the same thing again and again but they expect a different result. Be sure they are not going to achieve what they want. And the third category of people who are like so successful, the difference is this, whenever they get the results of something what they don't want, they never call it as a failure. They say there are no failures, only feedback. They are so determined not to give up, and then they change the strategy, take action again. And this is something what they actually practice consistently in their life. And if you ask the biggest difference between the set of people who actually achieve a lot in their life and people who cannot do it, the difference is this, they never give up. So if you want to achieve something in your life, the truth is so simple, never give up.